What's up, everyone? Oh, wow. The sky is still kind of blue, isn't it? Didn't even notice that. It's gonna be a blue day today. Yeah. I actually kind of like this shirt. It fits nice. Since I've shrunk in size, I used to wear I think it was 3X, I believe. And now, I mean, I can fit in to large, as long as I'm not like moving around and doing a bunch of things, because it's still a little bit too short. So it barely just goes over my pants. And I just don't want the fat to go boom, and it will happen. And I know what happened. It'll go right over, and then it'll be like, is that part of the shirt? No, that's not part of the shirt. I don't think so, man. That's not part of the shirt. And then it's not cool. So, but yeah, that's why I try to keep it PG. I got some really great sleep. I posted the video on my other channel. I'm still hoping I don't mess up one day, and I probably will. Be like, I'm posting something for the other channel, and I accidentally switch over to that profile on my phone and forget to switch back, so then I'll like make the video on another profile instead of the one it's supposed to be. It can happen. I hope it doesn't happen. But I don't, I can't say for sure. I just keep thinking about it. Every time I've switched, I make sure, and I'll go, okay, I'm on here, because if I'm not normally on my account, if I'm ever on the other one, it's only just to make sure and add the videos that I've already added, and then check the videos that we've already checked, because I don't want like like somehow there was something in the background that, like some music or something, and I didn't hear it. I don't know, whatever. I really do not know, but still, so I still gotta have to go check on it, but anyways, other than that, I have been ready to go for the past hour or so. I don't know why today, I felt really great last night, and then, I didn't like push myself a little further than I needed to, but, I always go more than 100% at least, at some points, just because, I know how to conserve the energy, because some things, like when I'm stalking and stuff, depending on where you're at, like sometimes you're literally standing in one aisle, so you're not really moving as much, you're being slow, and so sometimes you got to create more energy to burn off the calories and stuff. So I tried to do things, making it more interesting by like moving around and stuff, not staying stagnant, and that's the hardest part when working here, because you are up and down a lot, but you are still able to move your feet. So like, even if I'm doing the jig in an aisle, I mean, at least I'm doing something active, right? I know it's probably a little weird for people that are probably watching the video at nighttime, watching me. I'll stretch sometimes, like couple times I'll be doing like a push-up, like 5 push-ups, and just for no reason, because I'm trying to stay active. I'm trying to create spontaneity in my body, and working here actually does really help with that, because everything is always different. It's never the same, and yeah, well, I mean, you might have a couple of hours maybe something might be the same in uniforms, but for the most part it isn't. So and that's a great thing. But it doesn't help my back any, like, to be honest, because it still hurts. It still does what it does, and so I still have to prepare for everything that I do. So yeah. But earache drops. I don't know why I have those. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm actually gonna get going here. I don't have much else to talk about. I since I posted the video on the other channel, like I didn't go back and check on it, so it was edited a little bit. Maybe I'll just talk about it, I guess. It was edited a little bit. I watched the whole thing, the exact whole thing, and I know the style. I get it. And it's just the first video, and it was awesome. I loved it. And she wants to go and change things on the next one, and basically just keep getting better and better, because she likes learning, I guess, the different ways of editing, and then, like, maybe adding any, like, sound effects, funny things, stuff like that, stuff that might seem interesting, and she's, you know, she's kind of that age, so it's kind of easy to project the kind of the humor for her age range, where I'm trying to get at. Yes, it's going to still be a little bit older too, because I'm an older person, but I don't think I'll have much problem once I start advertising. But that's going to be a long time down the road. I got lots of things I have to do that I want to do. That's going to be pretty easy, but it's just, you know, time and patience, and getting me there too. I need to get there too. My kids are getting there. I just need to catch up now. So yeah, that's how it works. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out. I'm gonna turn these lights off. And I'm